This practice is to reduce any stiffness and tightness in the body and to bring flexibility into the body and the mind and the spirit. Come into an uprighted seated position and close your eyes. Bring the hands into Gyan Mudra and settle into your breath. Notice the connection between the mind and the breath. Notice the physical experience of the breath entering the body and exhaling. Start to deepen and lengthen your breath with a deep inhale. Exhale, and if you wish, sigh it out. Deep inhale again. Exhale, release. One more time, deep inhale. Exhale. Set an intention, whether it be a word, a mantra, a focus, that you desire to bring into your heart, your life, your experience, whatever it is. Set that intention now. And then gently flicker the eyes open. Come into tabletop. And gently using the breath to move into cow. And exhaling into cat. Honoring your body and moving gently, slowly, or maybe it's quickly. Closing the eyes to go deep within. And when you're ready, come to a neutral spine. Tuck the toes under and press back and up into downward dog. Listening to your body intuition, making any micro movements in your downward dog, and using the breath to fill the body with prana, and the exhale to release anything that you wish to let go of. And then coming into the stillness of the downward dog, take a deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. And do this 2 more times at your own pace.
And when you're ready, come back to tabletop and step your right foot in between both hands. Coming into this lunge, bringing your hands on top of your knees, dropping the hips down. Long, deep breathing. And then bring the left hand down next to the right foot and twist over towards the right, extending the right arm up. Long, deep breathing. Bring the right hand down on the outside of the right foot and sit back into this hamstring stretch. Allow your head, your neck, and your shoulders to relax and completely fold forward. On the next inhale, come through that lunge, pausing there a moment, and transitioning back to tabletop. Make any micro movements that your body intuition's calling for. And when you're ready, step your left foot in between both hands, coming into your lunge. Relax into the breath. Allow the breath to take you deeper into the pose, and allow the breath to release anything of tightness, any tension. Just let it go. Bring the right hand down next to the left foot and twist over towards the left. Long, deep breathing. Bring the left hand down on the outside of the left foot and sit back into this hamstring stretch. Bow over the left leg. Completely release and let go. Coming back through the lunge, pausing there a moment. Moving through tabletop and into child's pose. Release the pose, coming to an upright spine. And extend your legs out in front of you. Cross the right foot over the left leg. Take hold of the right knee, straight spine. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Bring your left arm around the right knee and twist over towards the right. Inhale, coming around the opposite way.
Come back to center. Extend the right leg out. Cross the left foot over the right leg. Inhale with a straight back, holding on to the left knee. Bringing the right elbow around the left knee, twisting over towards the left. Exhaling over to the right for a counter twist. Coming back to center, extending the legs out in front of you. Inhale, straight back, and lift your arms high up to the heavens. And exhale, bow forward.
Allow the head, the neck, and the shoulders to relax as you release forward. On the next inhale, roll up to a flat back, and then gently come down onto your back. Bring the knees into the chest. Hug the knees in. Maybe roll on the back, releasing any tension there. And yogi's choice, maybe happy baby is what your spirit's calling for today. Or maybe you just want to release into your shavasana. And don't skip the shavasana. It is worth your time. So when you're ready, just relax into it for a moment, allowing the body to absorb the practice that you just dedicated your time to, so that you can release any tightness and tension and create that natural flow of flexibility between the body, the mind, and the spirit. I invite you to stay here as long as you wish. Knowing that we will be closing the practice together with your shavasana. So relax, release,